Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the high velocity impact of the steel projectile to the composite panel made by one layer. The top layer is the steel cover, the middle layer is a silicon carbide, and the third layer is aramid fiber reinforced plastic or AFRP. Let me to check it in this view, and this is a deformation which happened during the analysis. You can see this, and if I click on the stress and let's me to use a limit for the stress, for instance this, and let me now click on animate to see the wave of the stress, and this is a damage which happened during the analysis. First, let me just replace the cover and the projectile. Both of them are steel material. See, this is the steel material, and this is the deformation of the steel material, and also Johnson Cook damage, which we use for this simulation, or plastic strain. And now let's me to check the ceramic. This is the ceramic cover in this view. Let's me to click here, make it 1 to have a better view of the stress propagations. See, this is the stress propagation during the impact. Okay, this is the stress. Now the damage. This is the damage. These are the cracks. And we can use free edge to see it in this view. The pressure, the ductile damage criterion, the yield criterion, or anything. And now let's me to check the AFRP, the composite panel. This is the deformation. It is too much. Let's me to check the stress, and let's me to use this option. It is a better view, see? Okay, and this is the formation of AFRP with 4 layers. Okay, this is the step-by-step simulation of high velocity impact of the steel projectile to the composite panel made by steel, ceramic, or silicon carbide and AFRP. If you need to learn this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial, or if you can't find this, search this title here in the search section of the website, and then you will find this. Click on title or blue sign, and then you will have a short explanation about the geometry and assembly, and then the material model, steps, interaction, load, mesh, and then the result as figures here. You can provide CAF in English video file step by step for this tutorial, and the cost for that is 27 euros. You can use a PayPal account to send money directly, or if you haven't that, you can use a Visa or a MasterCard for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attention.